How to fix TikTok closing automatically. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your connection is slow or unstable, TikTok may crash and close automatically. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue gets fixed. After that, open the recent app and then swipe TikTok away to close it. Now reopen it. This refreshes the app and may solve the issue. After that, you can open up TikTok application, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, and then you can tap on this three-line icon. Right over here, you can simply tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and here you will be able to find free app space. Tap onto it and then tap on clear beside cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may cause crashes. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up the App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for TikTok. And once you search for it, you can simply tap onto it. And just like that, you can simply update the application if any updates is available. Head back to your home screen and then if the problem still persists, long press on TikTok, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Once deleted, open the App Store and then reinstall it. That is how you can fix TikTok closing automatically or auto back problem. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.